and it was not sucking my stomach in the entire time. I planned to, but it didn't happen. Fuck you, alcohol. Hello everyone, and we're back! We're back with the second session of BuzzFood, because the first one did surprisingly well, and thank you for unexpected number of people who watched it. You guys are amazing. Today we're doing something really simple. It is a dip that you can eat with your chip. How cool is that? And joining us on this amazing adventure is our very old friend, Mr. Mom! Which tastes better than it smells on most days. You're supposed to make only 3 drinks out of it. It's supposed to be 3 large drinks, that's it. If someone tells you have 8 small, they are lying. Okay, let's drink number 1. It's only showing this much because there's already ice in this. Do not get fooled. Don't let people shame you for choosing your mixer of choice. If you think Coke is too heavy and you love Fanta, and also because it's orange and you love a little color in your life, go ahead, do it. Oh, I also got straws from my house because lady. We need Hunkered. You're supposed to hang it. We hang a bunch of Hunkered I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's that. You can see it. You can see it. Yeah. Basically, the great part about this dip is that you can put literally anything you want in it because you have to eat it with chip. So, not much can go wrong here. So I need salt, which I've forgotten to take out already. So where is salt, mister? Where is salt? Then we put some pepper, which should be, oh fuck, it's sealed, dude. Pepper! Oh, cool. But I like my dip to be excessively peppery, like the pepper should show because jo dikhta hai wahi bickta hai. We have a general herb mix, which is, I mean, just put it, dude. I told you can put anything in it. It's amazing. Yeah. This is resting on my boob. Look how cute this is. So Trishi got this on some Diwali from her office. Thank you, What Consult. We still use it. And this has some garlic in it right now. Garlic is one of the reasons I've been single for so long, because suddenly I had to pick between eating garlic whenever I want to and being in love with a person. Take some capsicum. I think capsicum has no concept of inner beauty because we have to remove it to eat it. I'm stressing out, dude. This is a really sharp knife. Mr. Monk speaking to my soul right now. Capsicum! Also, how great of my lipstick. We have some mint leaves. I'm going to eat them kacha or in a tea. Hi Natasha! Natasha makes amazing pudina tea and she calls it Pudina. That's cute, no? I have some dhania. So you put some dhania also. Can you eat dhania kacha also? I'm sure, no? But I don't want it. Look at the lipstick of this straw, you guys! I feel like straw is the greatest invention. It's just... Now I'll take some lemon for that edge. And we're all about the edge. And the base, obviously. And we give it a final mix. And we're almost done. Cool, so should we serve now? Carefully resuming. And oh god, it's not opening. What's not triple it though? Lay's 0. Bingo's Yummy Toes 100. Are you seeing the amount of chip that's out of a 10 rupee pack? I am so impressed right now. I want to tweet about that. I'm not that anyone reads my tweets, but let's put some pudina in it because gourmet. Ta-da! this dip is world famous. That's not true, but it's actually quite famous. All my friends like it and they keep telling me to make it. Okay, thank you everyone for watching, and as I told you in my previous video, if you want to come home and get drunk with me, you can. Please feel free. We can also use this kitchen sometimes. If you like this better than mine, let me know. Thank you.